Students, today we are going to learn comprehensive problems on retirement of a partner. Look at the problem. We are going to solve 4 problems, of which first problem is written on the board. Look at the board. Raghu, Ravi and Ramesh are partner in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3:1. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2019 as follows. Liability assets. Liability side capital, reserve fund, creditor are given. Asset side building, machinery, stock, debtor, old provision for bad and doubtful debts is given. Then cash at bank also given. Then go through the adjustments. Ramesh retires. The last one is retiring on 31st March 2019 on the following conditions. Condition number 1. Goodwill valued at rupees 24,000. Machinery to be depreciated. So machinery is an asset, depreciated, it is a loss item. Building appreciated by 20%. Building is an asset, appreciation means increased, enhanced, so it is a profit item. Stock to be appreciated by 2,000. Stock is an asset, appreciated means increase, it is also profit item. Provision for bad debts increased by 1,000. So bad debts is a liability, increases, so it is a loss item. Then the final amount due to the retiring partner Ramesh is not paid immediately. So the amount due to the retiring partner not paid immediately, which should be transferred to the his loan account. Yes, now we are going to prepare revaluation account, then capital account and reconstituted balance sheet. First I am going to prepare revaluation account. Revaluation account, debit side loss items are recorded, credit side profit items are recorded. Yes, we will take the items. Machinery to be depreciated, it is a loss. So to machinery value depreciated by 10%. Machinery 70,000, depreciation 10%, so 7,000 is a loss. Then building appreciated is a profit item by 20%. So profit item should be credited in revaluation account. Buildings 20%. Building value 60,000 on 20% of 20%, 12,000 rupees. Next, stock to be appreciated by is given. So stock appreciated is a profit item, by is given, so we can take this value. So it is a profit item by stock value 2,000. Then provision for bad debts increases is a loss item, by is given, so we can take 1,000. Earlier I said valued at 2 is given, compare and take the value. If by is given, we can take the given value. Yes, here provision for bad debts increased, by is given, so we can take 1,000 rupees to provision for bad debts rupees 1,000. In this problem, credit side total, that is profit items are more than the loss item. So profit items are 14,000, loss items are 18,000. So we'll get one value 6,000. That is revaluation profit. That is revaluation profit should be transferred to all the partners, namely Raghu, Ravi and Ramesh in old ratio. So 6,000 old ratio is 2:3:1. 2:3:1. So 2 by 6, 6,000 into 3 by 6, 6,000 into 1 by 6. So for Raghu 2,000, for Ravi 3,000, for Ramesh 1,000. So revaluation profit divided in old ratio to all the partners. Then I am going to prepare the capital account. For the preparation of capital account, we should read the problem from beginning to end. Yes. First, capital is given. Go to the capital credit side, write by balance BD. Take opening capital, namely 30,000, 40,000, then 20,000. So capital account taken to the capital account. Then reserve fund. Reserve fund should be credited to the capital account. So by reserve fund, it should be divided in the old ratio. Old ratio is 2:3:1. Reserve fund value 36,000 divided by 6. So 12,000 to Raghu, 18,000 to Ravi, 6,000 to Ramesh. Then creditor will not come to capital account. Building, machinery, stock, debtor, provision, bank will not come. In this problem, profit and loss account not given either in the liability side or in the asset side. So we can move to the adjustment. First one, goodwill is valuated at 24,000. So the total value of the goodwill is given in the question. So goodwill total value is given. Its value 24,000. Okay. We have to take the retiring partner share of goodwill. Who is retiring? Ramesh. Ramesh share of goodwill 24,000 into his share 1/6. His share of goodwill 4,000 rupees. Then his share of goodwill should be recorded as journal entry. How we will record? The continuing partner account debtor to retiring partner. So the continuing partners are Raghu capital account debtor, Ravi capital account debtor to Ramesh capital. 4,000 should be divided in gaining ratio. In this problem, old ratio is given. Continuing partner gaining ratio is not given. If it is not given, we can take the old ratio of the old partners, continuing partner. The old ratio of old partner considered to be the gaining ratio. So 4,000 should be divided in 2:3. So 1,600 goes to Raghu, 2,400 goes to Ravi. For that we have to record one compound contra entry. Here the Ramesh, Raghu and Ravi debited. So to Ramesh capital, 1,600, 2,400. This is a contra entry by Raghu capital by Ravi capital goes to Ramesh, 1,600, 2,400. Then machinery we consider for revaluation, building considered for revaluation, stock considered for revaluation, provision also considered for revaluation. The final amount due to Ramesh is not paid immediately. That means the total interest of the retiring partner should be transferred to his loan account. Before that, we will transfer the revaluation profit to the credit side of capital account by revaluation account. 2,000, 3,000 and 1,000. First, we should close the retiring partner. Retiring partner credit side total 31,000. 31,000 is not paid immediately, so we can transfer his total interest. This is the retiring partner total interest should be transferred to his loan account, to Ramesh loan account transfer. Then we are going to close other partner capital account. By balance BD 42,400 to Raghu, 58,600 to Ravi. Ramesh total interest transferred to his loan account. Then we are going to prepare the balance sheet of reconstituted firm. Start with the asset side. First one, buildings. Building total value 60,000. It has adjustment. Building value increased by 20% plus increased 20%. So 12,000. Present value of the building 72,000. Then we have machinery. The old value 70,000. Now depreciated by 10%. Minus depreciation 10%, 7,000. The present value 63,000. Then stock, old value 20,000. Now the stock value what happened? Increases. So we should add. Increases by 2,000. The present value of the stock 22,000. Then debtor. Debtor, very important treatment. Debtor, old value 18,000 minus provision, old provision 1,000. Now provision for bad debts increased by 1,000. So total provision 2000. So new debtor in the balance sheet 16,000. Then bank, no adjustment for bank. So we can record the old value. Then go to the liability side. We'll take capital of the continuing partner, namely Raghu and Ravi. We will take from the capital account 42,400. 42,400. Then 58,600. The total capital 1,01,000. Then reserve fund transfer to the capital account, it will not come to the new balance sheet. Then creditor do not have any adjustments. We can write the old value. Then go through the adjustment. Yes, go through the adjustments. First one, goodwill. Goodwill adjusted with the capital, it will be shown in the capital account. Machinery depreciated is a loss item and deducted from the machinery. Building, it is a profit item and added with the building. Stock, it is a profit item, then added with the stock. Provision for bad and doubtful debts increased, it is a loss item, then added with the provision for doubtful debts. Then final amount due to Ramesh is not paid immediately, so we should transfer that Ramesh capital should be loan account, it will come to the new balance sheet. How much is loan? Already we recorded 31,000. Now I am going to balance it. Total balance sheet total 1,82,000. Students, we completed first comprehensive problem on retirement of a partner. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.